YouTube is changing, not slowly, not subtly, but in ways that will shock creators and viewers alike. In 2025, the platform is unleashing an AI-driven overhaul that could redefine online content forever: age verification. AI Slop. The complete removal of the trending page. These aren't just updates, they're seismic shifts. Content you thought would reach millions may suddenly vanish, while AI-generated videos with minimal effort could explode overnight. Imagine logging in tomorrow and seeing your carefully crafted video throttled, restricted, while something unexpected goes viral, all because the algorithms now think differently. The rules are changing faster than ever for creators. This is both a threat and an opportunity. Those who adapt quickly will thrive. Those who ignore the signals may fall behind. Every notification, every view, every recommendation is being recalibrated by YouTube's AI. And it's more sophisticated than anything we've seen. Before we dive into the AI age verification system and uncover how it's redefining access, we need to understand the full scope of this 2025 AI overhaul and why it matters to you right now. Let's start with the first major change that's shaking the platform. YouTube's AI age verification is no ordinary gatekeeper. It's a precise, algorithm-driven system designed to protect younger viewers while reshaping how creators distribute content. Every upload is now assessed for age sensitivity, combining metadata, content analysis, and behavioral signals. This system isn't just checking your declared age, it's evaluating context. A video mentioning sensitive topics may be flagged, even if the uploader is over 18, meaning creators must think twice about every frame, every caption, every thumbnail. Traditional warnings no longer suffice. Why implement this now? YouTube is under increasing scrutiny for underage exposure to mature content. The AI ensures compliance while minimizing human intervention. Creators must adapt by clearly categorizing content and understanding which audience segments are allowed to see their work. Impact on creators: immediate and profound. Videos previously visible to everyone might now face restrictions, resulting in decreased impressions. On the flip side, age-appropriate content may receive more targeted exposure, improving engagement among the right viewers. Strategy becomes essential. Quality, relevance, and compliance now dictate discoverability, and the surprises don't stop there. YouTube's AI can dynamically adjust age restrictions over time, meaning a video's visibility can fluctuate as the algorithm learns. And this creates a new layer of unpredictability for creators who rely on consistent reach, with age verification reshaping access. The next AI storm is hitting feeds everywhere: the rise of AI slop. AI slop is the term creators are whispering about: videos generated with minimal effort, yet exploding in views. Short, repetitive, sometimes nonsensical content floods YouTube feeds. The AI identifies patterns that historically engage viewers, even if the content lacks originality. Why now? Advances in generative AI make producing these videos incredibly cheap and fast. Anyone can upload hundreds of clips per day, optimized for clicks, likes, and watch time. Algorithms reward these patterns, creating a cycle where quantity often outperforms creativity. For creators, this is a double-edged sword. On one hand, low-effort AI slop can seem like competition, threatening visibility for high-quality content. On the other hand, understanding these patterns offers opportunities. Study the mechanics, integrate AI wisely, and ride trends without compromising authenticity. The danger lies in over-reliance. Channels that imitate slop without adding value may initially gain traction, but YouTube's AI is evolving to detect repetitive, low-value uploads. Engagement retention, audience feedback, and authenticity signals now weigh heavily in ranking. 2025 updates indicate YouTube is testing AI filters to identify and penalize slop, meaning creators must innovate to stay ahead. This isn't just theory, it's happening now. Channels that adapt early will dominate feeds, while those ignoring the shift may vanish. As AI slop floods the platform, YouTube is making another dramatic change: the removal of the trending page. The trending page is gone. What once offered visibility to millions overnight has been replaced with AI-driven discovery mechanisms. YouTube is now prioritizing personalized feeds over universal exposure. This change forces creators to rethink reach. Videos are no longer universally trending. They trend individually based on user behavior, preferences, and engagement signals. A video may dominate one user's feed while remaining invisible to another. Implications are massive. Creators can no longer rely on virality alone. Precision targeting, audience retention, and watch time metrics now rule. The AI monitors engagement patterns, rewarding videos that capture attention in multiple ways. Comments, shares, watch-through, and repeat views for the audience. It feels seamless, more tailored, more relevant. But for creators, it demands strategy. A single high-quality upload must now satisfy diverse micro-audiences simultaneously. The removal of the public trending page shifts power entirely to the AI, and the stakes are higher than ever. The upside: those who understand data and optimize accordingly can still see explosive growth. Micro-communities now have their moment, and creators can dominate niches with precision targeting. This is the new frontier of YouTube discovery. With discovery evolving, monetization is next on the AI overhaul list. Monetization rules are stricter than ever. YouTube is now evaluating AI-generated content for eligibility. Repetitive patterns, low-effort uploads, and recycled content risk demonetization. Creators must now verify originality, maintain engagement, and ensure content compliance. Policy enforcement is automated, leaving little room for manual appeals. Even minor oversights, like recycled audio or stock footage overused, can result in partial revenue loss. Opportunities exist. AI can also enhance production. Thoughtfully applied AI tools can streamline editing, captions, and content analysis, boosting reach and monetization potential. The key is balance. Authenticity paired with AI efficiency. Advertisers are noticing shifts too. AI-driven ads now align with content quality signals, meaning high-value content gets premium revenue, while slop may be penalized. Strategic planning is crucial. Creators must design for both human and algorithmic approval. The takeaway: monetization is no longer guaranteed. Adaptation is essential. By understanding algorithm priorities, creators can optimize revenue while staying compliant with AI-driven checks. Understanding monetization challenges leads us to another crucial factor: future trends and audience behavior. Audiences are changing. Micro-communities dominate, attention spans shorten, and AI is predicting behavior before users consciously decide. Content discovery is hyper-personalized, meaning creators must anticipate preferences, not just react to emerging trends. Indicate interactive and immersive content will thrive. Polls, comments, AI-assisted quizzes, and interactive thumbnails are gaining traction. YouTube's predictive AI learns what each viewer wants, offering massive rewards to creators who align with these preferences. Understanding these behaviors allows strategic content planning. Trending topics may not be viral universally, but can dominate niche feeds, providing sustainable growth. Early adoption of AI analytics and personalization tools is the edge creators need. Creators ignoring these trends risk irrelevance. Those embracing them, combining creativity with algorithmic insight, can dominate. The era of mass virality is giving way to precision virality. Now that we understand trends, let's explore ultimate strategies to thrive in this new AI-driven landscape. Adaptation is everything. Successful creators combine creativity, strategy, and AI tools. Understand your niche, analyze engagement metrics, and leverage AI for optimization, but never at the expense of authenticity. Diversify content. Mix high-effort originals with AI-assisted content to maximize reach. Experiment with formats, timing, and interaction methods. Engage micro-communities directly. Comments, polls, and Q&A now carry weight in AI ranking. Use analytics obsessively. Predictive AI insights allow early trend adoption and niche targeting. Monitor what works and iterate quickly. Think beyond views. Watch time, shares, and retention are now the currency of success. Maintain compliance. Age verification, AI slop policies, and monetization rules are non-negotiable. Structure content to pass AI checks without losing creative voice. Those who master both sides, algorithm and audience, win. The future favors agile creators. Embrace AI, but stay human. Your unique perspective is your strongest asset in a world dominated by automation. In conclusion, mastering these updates will determine who thrives and who falls behind. 2025 is the year of AI-driven transformation on YouTube. Age verification, AI slop, and the removal of the trending page redefine discovery and monetization. Creators must adapt, balance authenticity with AI tools, understand audience behavior, and optimize strategically. The winners will be those who embrace change, innovate with purpose, and navigate algorithmic shifts. Ignore it and risk being left behind. You now have the knowledge, the strategies, and the insight to not just survive but thrive in YouTube's AI-powered future. The question is, will you take action or watch others dominate?